Hello, we're here today to talk about our Pinpoint Laser Microgage 2D system, which is part of our family of precision measuring and alignment products for industry. This particular product consists of three components: a laser transmitter, a digital receiver, and a display unit. The laser transmitter is machined from a solid block of material, and it's got square and flat edges with mounting points, a precision bubble level, and operates on batteries, which are in here. The laser beam is projected out the end of the product and is parallel to both the base and sides of the laser housing. The receiver, also machined from a solid block of material, has mounting points and squared edges, and in the end there is a port with an electronic detector behind it, and this measures the laser beam entering on the left and the right and up and down, and is connected with the cable to the display unit. The 2D display unit is a portable device with a solid construction, operates on batteries, can receive up to 4 incoming detectors, and has function control so that you can change units and connect it to a computer or other type of data gathering device. On the display here, we're showing the horizontal and vertical readings near zero because the laser and the receiver are sitting on a common plane and against an edge rail. If we elevate the receiver with a simple business card, you can see that the vertical reading has changed, and this measurement can be made where the laser and receiver are separated by a few feet, and the receiver could go out to as much as 80 feet away. Here at Pinpoint, we have a variety of accessories and mounts for this product line so it can be adapted to almost all of your industrial applications. Our engineering team is here and standing by and looking forward to talking with you about particular projects or applications you're thinking about. We appreciate your time and thank you for watching today.